A, that is 3 by 5 into tan inverse of x by a. X is t plus 4 by 5 by a is 3 by 5 plus c. So that is this 5 and 5 also gets cancelled. So 2 by 3 into tan inverse of. So this is what I am substituting it directly. T is equal to tan x by 2. So 5 tan x by 2 plus 4 by 3 plus c I am going to get. Okay, so this is the one example. So next further examples what we have, you try to simplify them, you try to do these problems. So example number 2, that is evaluate integration of dx by 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x. Next, example number 3, in this model, integration of dx by 3 plus 5 cos x. Okay, so you try to do these two models, two examples in this. Next, third case 3. In case 3, if the integration is in the form of, if the integration is in the form of integration of a sin x plus b cos x plus c by p sin x plus q cos x plus r dx over r integration of a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus c by p into e power x plus q into e power minus x plus r dx. So both are of same type only, means in both of the cases here sin x is nothing but here replacing with e power x. Both are of same model only, so that's why I had given same condition I am going to get. Then in both of these cases, then take numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator plus c. Then evaluate the integration. Means here we did this model in before problems, but this is somewhat slight difference is there. So here we need to find out the values of ABCs by comparing the coefficients. Here ABC we have to find, then only we can integrate this. So let us look at one example of this type. Example 1. So evaluate integration of 11 cos x minus 16 sin x by 2 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. So here what is the condition? First, only one condition is numerator should be equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator plus c. So numerator is what? 11 cos x minus 16 sin x is equal to a into denominator means 2 cos x plus 5 sin x plus b into derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator is what? Minus 2 sin x plus 5 cos x or not. So derivative of denominator is that plus c. Okay. So now here if we compare the coefficients of sin x or cos x on both the sides, you are going to get the values of a, b, c here. Okay. So comparing the coefficients of sin x, or first you take cos x. So here in LHS, what is the coefficient of cos x? 11 is the coefficient of cos x. Now here if you see 2a is the coefficient of cos x. From this you are going to get 2a as the coefficient of cos x. Next here what you are going to get, here 5 cos x into b is there, means plus 5a. Okay, so this is one condition, sorry 5b, not here. Okay, 5b. So 2a plus 5b is equal to 11 is the first condition, which we got by comparing the coefficients of cos x. Next, by comparing the coefficients of sin x, minus 16 is equal to, here the coefficient of sin x is minus 16. So here what it is, plus 5a. Next here minus 2b. Okay, so here this is the second condition what I got here. So let us convert it properly. So 2a plus 5b minus 11 is equal to 0, and next 5a minus 2b plus 16 is equal to 0. So solving these two equations you are going to get the values of a and b. So I am going to get the values of a and b here by doing in cross multiplication method. So a, b, 1 I will write. Next 5 minus 11, 2, 5, minus 2, 16, 5 minus 2. So a by 16 5s are 80 minus 22 is equal to b by minus 55 minus 32 is equal to 1 by minus 4 minus 25. So a by 58 is equal to b by minus 87 is equal to 1 by minus 29. So a is equal to minus 2 by taking these two. Next by taking these two, b is equal to 3 or not. So simple values we got. So a and b values. What about c? C is equal to 0 only here. Why? Because here in this if c and r are given, then we will get, by comparing coefficients of constant terms, we will get some value for c. So here no constant term, so c is equal to 0. So no need to write this one also if the condition is given like that. So now further simplifying this, what you are going to get? So integration of this 11 cos x minus 16 sin x by 2 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. So is equal to, what I am going to write is, what is the condition? A into denominator. A is minus 2. Into denominator is what? 2 cos x plus 5 sin x plus b into, b is 3 I got, b into d by dx of denominator, d by dx of 2 cos x plus 5 sin x, plus c is however 0 by 2 cos x plus 5 sin x whole dx. So integration for this. So this is equal to, now separate them. Integration of minus 2 into 2 cos x plus 5 sin x by 2 cos x plus 5 sin x dx plus integration of 3 into d by dx of 2 cos x plus 5 sin x by 2 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. So here these two however gets cancelled here. So integration of minus 2 dx is minus 2x plus, this is in the form of 3 is a constant. After writing 3 constant outside, derivative of means integration of f dash of x by f of x is what? Log of f of x or not? So log of 2 cos x plus 5 sin x will get plus c. So this is the final answer what we got, minus 2x plus 3 log of 2 cos x plus 5 sin x plus c. So in this one more model I am going to get, I am going to give, so you try to solve this. Okay, so evaluate. One example I am doing, one example you try to do, definitely you will get, it's not a problem. If you are not getting, you can ask me, you can call me to clear your doubts, it's not a problem. And moreover I am giving solutions also every time. So this one you try to evaluate. And along with this I gave you that model also, e power x, e power minus x model also. So in that also I am going to give one more example. Integration of 4 e power x plus 5 e power minus x by e power x plus 2 e power minus x dx. So here also same condition you have to apply. Numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator plus c. C no need to take here. However, here also c you are going to get 0 only. Here again, here don't get confused. Simply change this in terms of sin by cos. Sin by cos, if you convert, you are going to get this type of equation only you are going to get. So again the procedure is same. So hope you will do these two problems also easily. So try to complete this part. Okay. So here before initially, so totally 3 models we had discussed here. So first once again I will revise. So here if the integration is in the form of these 4, then what is the rule you have to remember? Multiply and divide with the secant square x, then put tan x is equal to t. Next, if the integration is in the form of these 4, okay, so mine a sin x plus b cos x plus c, or 1 by a sin x plus b cos x, or 1 by a sin x plus c, or 1 by a cos x plus b. In this, what is the rule you have to remember? Convert sin x and cos x in terms of tan x by 2 by using the formulas. These two are very very important. Sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That you have to convert. Then after that put tan x by 2 is equal to t in this model. Next, in this only third model we had discussed. In the third model, if the integration is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c by p sin x plus q cos x plus r dx, or if it is in this model also a e power x plus b e power minus x plus c by p e power x plus q e power minus x plus r, both are same only. So just here these replacements you can observe. So in both of these cases, what you have to take? Numerator you should equate to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator plus c. So then you have to find the values of ABCs. Simply it will convert into the integration, so that you can convert it easily. So you can evaluate it easily. So some examples I left for you. So if you do that examples, they are very simple. You can get it. No need to worry about that. So complete them. Okay. So next, along with this, I am going to send next some 13 or 14 problems again from the fact material as a worksheet. And in the last class I had given some 16 problems from the fact material. For that 16 problems, I am going to send the solutions also for this. You check yourself whether you did correct or wrong. So if you are wrong, please try to complete it again. Okay. Thank you.